Nyumba-inĩ ĩno itũra-inĩ rĩa Bondeni gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa Njoro kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru nĩkuo maabitha a borithi makorete airĩtu ũmwe erĩ makinya 67 mahingĩrĩtwo njama-inĩ yao gũtwarwo mawĩra nja ya bũrũri.
Niko hapa nililetwa na ofisi inaitwa Suluhisho. Sasa hii Suluhisho ilituambia inashughulikia watu kama X wanashughulikiwa na 3 weeks wana travel.
Lakini sasa sijulikani nitaenda lini sababu madamu alisema ati ndege ni bei kali, sasa inabidi tusubiri mpaka bila atapata zile scholarship ndio tuende.
Meikarĩre nyũmba-inĩ ĩno yonekete ĩrĩ ya kĩnyarirĩko na ĩraiga ũgima wa mwĩrĩ wa airĩtu aya ũgwati-inĩ, amwe yao makiuga nĩ makoretwo nginya makĩhũrwo.
We have walked around the sleeping areas and we've realized that the capacity is too much for this facility. The beds are arranged in such a manner that they are adjacent to each other. There is no space to even get into the beds. The residents of this hostel also, you find that more than 1, 2 or sometimes 3 sleep in one bed.
Kuna mwenye anakuja na pesa yake anatengenezewa passport. So ukiulizia hivyo unaanza kuchapwa hapa ndani ama unaanza matron anaanza kuwafukuza huko ndani akiwachapa akiwafungia. And then chakula, hakuna kupewa chakula huko ndani. Sisi ndio tunalipa 100, baada ya siku 3 tunakula chakula, tunanunua chakula.
Nimeshtuka naye ni hii mainzi, unapata hata usiku inatushtua mpaka tunashangaa, hakuna kulala. Mchana ni vile vile, alafu kunguni amejaribu struggle kuspray hata dawa lakini haisikiki. Huwa inatuuma, sasa inabidi tulale mchana sababu usiku ni kukesha.
If there is anyone who's been subjected to torture, for a fact they should come out, make statements there. We want to see arrests here. We want to see trials there. It is wrong to make, blanket statements.
Kũrĩ o maugĩte makoretwo mahingĩrĩtwo gũkũ kuma mweri-inĩ wa Dithemba mwaka mũthiru, na arĩa maremetwo nĩ gũkirĩrĩria maikarĩre mĩũru nyũmba-inĩ ĩno nĩ metharĩte na makora amu matingĩtĩkĩrio kuma.
Wengine tumepata visa kitambo, tumekaa nazo hata zinaelekea ku expire. Kijaribu kuulizia shida ni gani utaki kuambiwa, mara hakuna ndege, mara ofisi zimefungwa, mara kuna vita, si basi tupatiwe nafasi tuende nyumbani, hawakubali.
Borithi nĩ marutĩte notithi ya kũhinga nyũmba ĩno orĩo makiuga kambuni ĩno ĩkoretwo ĩgĩtwarithia mĩhang'o mũgarũ na watho, amu ona marũa mao nĩ mathirire mweri-inĩ wa Dithemba mwaka wa 2025.
The one licensing the hostel as a lodge and a temporary holding place for these people or these Kenyan citizens intending to travel abroad expired. The one issued by the Nakuru County government expired on 31st of December 2025. The one for NEA or National Employment Authority also expired on the 18th of March 2025.
Mawakiri a kambuni ya Suluhisho Africa nimehĩtĩte gũthiĩ igoti-inĩ gũtetia ikinya rĩrĩa kũhingwo kwa nyũmba ĩno. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.